So we see the wraparound terrace, it's a corner unit, and the outdoor fireplace or barbecue. We go back and see the terrace from the other side, and the lovely views from everywhere. Right, now we go from the terrace into the lounge, and you can still see that we have a wrap-around terrace and a lot of light coming into the lounge. The lounge is special in the sense that it's not like a tunnel, it's very wide, very pleasant, very open and very light. You can see the fireplace, and it's a working fireplace. And you can see the open kitchen, American kitchen here. Lovely kitchen, lots of space, and obviously from the kitchen you also have the views to everywhere. Okay, you see here the access to the utility room, and we have a guest toilet here. Very nice little guest toilet. Turn around. And we see the lounge again. And here we have the spectacular circular bathroom seen from the outside. We have the first of 2 bedrooms here. Also with light coming in through the high quality aluminium doors actually. And we have a shower here. Spectacular circular shower, as I said. Look at that, it's beautiful. Just open up so we can see it a little bit better. Sorry. Right? Beautiful. Okay. Cupboards. And right out to the communal garden. See, we come into the next bedroom just next door. Very light as well. Very beautiful, very open. And also a large bathroom with a bathtub and shower. There you go. And you can see we go back now to the bedroom. Okay, you can appreciate the very open access to the apartment. And I'm now going in through the kitchen. Here we go. Fantastic quality kitchen. And this is the laundry room, dryer and washing machine. So I'll end back where I started, go out through the lounge towards the terrace,